Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine and staying safe. So today's video is all about the books which I'm going to be reading in the month of June. So I have some 7 books which are a combination of both physical copies and e-books which I'm reading on the Scribe app. So to know more and to see what all I'm going to be reading, keep on watching, and if you're new to my channel, please take some time and subscribe my channel. It means a lot to me, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified of all of my future uploads. So without further ado, let's begin. So the very first book which I am currently reading and which I wanted to read for a very long time is Fangirl by Rainbow Rowell. So in the month of May, I read around 4 books which were very emotionally drowning and which were very sad, very poignant, and most of the books were covering the topic of death. So I wanted something to kind of make me happy, laugh out. So that's why I picked books like this. So I had asked a question on Instagram asking for a good recommendation for books that kind of make you laugh, and I got recommendations for Fangirl. So I have a book crush on this book ever since I got it, and even before I purchased this book, I was wanting to kind of buy a very good pre-loved copy of this book. So I ended up buying a new copy because I couldn't find a good pre-loved copy. So okay, now this book is about 2 twin sisters who are going to be separated due to college, because one of the twin sister wants to live in independence. So she kind of convinces her twin sister to stay separately, and she wants her to explore more. So I think it will be a very good read, and I think it's a young adult love story. So I am looking forward for some happy, some fun, some laughter stories in there. So I'm hoping, because I have no idea about this book, I kind of forgot what this book is about, but yeah, I'm very excited for this book. The next book which I want to read in the month of June is The Housekeeper and the Professor by Yoko Ogawa. So this is a Japanese translated book, and this book is was literally trending on Bookstagram, and that is the only reason I picked it. And I'm very happy because I've seen so many warm reviews about this book. So this is about a professor who's had a traumatic head injury, and he kind of forgets everything, and he has only 18 minutes of memory. So there's a housekeeper to take care of him, and the housekeeper has a 10-year-old son. So I think this is the relationship bond between the 3 of them, and every day they have to introduce themselves to the professor, and the professor kind of is a maths professor, so he kind of connects everything, every simple things into math. So I think it will be a very good read, because I don't like maths so much, but when maths is involved with stories, I think it will be a very interesting read. Looking forward, and this is a short read actually. It is a 180 pages book, so let's see how this goes. The third book which I want to read in the month of June is James Patterson's Beach Road with Peter D. Jong. So this is my first James Patterson, and I've heard a lot about the author, so I'm going to be giving this a try. And what I read as a review is, anyone who likes to relax with a Grisham novel will enjoy this superior story. So I think it will be a good legal based thriller, I hope so. So let's see, I have no idea about this book, and yeah, let's see how this one goes. It's a very short book when compared to the other James Patterson books, so let's see. So the next book which I want to read is Stories of Us by Bobby Sachdeva. So this is a short story collection, and it has 41 short stories which dwell upon topics like casteism, gender, and religion, body shaming, superstitious beliefs, and much more. So I'm actually very excited to read every chapter of this. I think it will be a very great read, and it's a very popular book on Bookstagram as well. So I think it will be a very interesting read, and short stories are my favorite, I would say, because they take you away from a reading slump, and also it encourages you to read other stories. So I think it will be a great read. The next book is a thriller. It's a psychological thriller, and I was looking forward to read this book in many months, and I ended up putting this book because I wanted a thorough psychological thriller which is very famous, as well as which is a very good page turner, and that is The Silent Patient by Alex Michaelides. So this book is a very popular book, and ever since I got it, I've been, kind of wanting to read this book and putting it in many of my TBRs, and it's a short read. It's a 320 pages book. So let's see how this book goes. And this is a book about a painter called Alicia who shoots her husband 5 times on the face and never speaks a word after that. So coming across is a very famous psychotherapist called Theo Faber wants to work with her and find out and make her speak. So I think after everything happens, there are a lot of secrets which comes out. So I think it will be a very good page turner, very gripping, very thrilling read. So I'm looking forward, and I definitely want this book to meet my expectations and the hype the book has created. So I'm hoping that. So let's see how this goes. The next book which I want to read is an e-book which I came across through Bookstagram, and it was available for free on Scribd app. So if you want to read or to listen audiobooks on Scribd, you can use my 60 days free trial using my link. So you can get a 60 days of free trial and listen or read to great collection of books in the app. So this is not a sponsored video. I kind of like the app because I see a huge variety of international booksellers as well as Indian authors. So the very first book which I want to read is The Parrot Green Saree, and I kind of forgot the author's name. So I'll be putting the cover page here so that you can look, and if you want to read this book, you can definitely read it. So this is a translated book from the Bengali, and this is a relationship book between a mother and the daughter. So the mother is not very concerned and very close to the daughter, and how the daughter befriends her is all the story about. But it has a lot of political issues revolving around both of these characters, I guess. So I think it will be a very interesting read, and it's a short read as well. I think it is less than 200 pages, and I kind of saw a very good review on Instagram, and that's why I picked it. So I think it will be a good read. So the next book which I want to read is also a very famous short read, and that is also a translated book, I guess, and that is Dopri. So I think I'm pronouncing it right, I'm not sure. It's a very famous book, and I think everybody wanted a copy of this book, and when I saw it as a free book on Scribd, I didn't have a second thought and I picked it. So this is about a elderly widow woman who lives alone, and around 3 p.m. every day in the afternoon, she hears unknown footsteps, but nobody is there on the door, and she is kind of panicked. So she decides to move to a old age home. But before that, she finds a lodger who comes and stays with her, and the whole thing changes and her life changes. So I think this is a very short read, but I have heard so many reviews about this book, so many good reviews about this book. So I am very intrigued to know what this book is about. But just seeing the blurb, I thought that this belongs to a horror category, but I don't think that it belongs to a horror. So let me read and find out what the book is all about. The last book which I want to read in the month of June is A Woman is No Man by Etif. I don't know by the author, I forgot the author's name, by a Palestinian author. So after seeing and knowing about the horrors happening in Palestine, I wanted to read one book which was always on my wish list, as well as I kind of wanted to read this book, and I put it in many of my TBRs, but I ended up not buying the book. And so this is a story about 3 generations of women and how their life has evolved. It starts from Palestine to America. So I think it will be a very interesting read. So it's about a woman who is forcibly married and moved to Brooklyn, and she gives birth to 4 daughters, expecting a son in every birth. So her mother-in-law Farida compels her to give another birth, but the first daughter becomes a big girl and she is forcibly put into marriage. So I think this will talk about so many issues that women still face and kind of fail in most of the obstacles that women face, but they are very strong and they're still fighting for their independence. So Dea, who's the granddaughter of Farida, wants to study, and when she's forced, she kind of goes and finds out her family's secret. So I think this book talks about a lot about women empowerment as well as a lot about other issues as well. So I'm looking forward, and I think reading this book for this month will be a great thing. And I saw so many people reading books about Palestine and by Palestinian authors in the month of May, but I couldn't make or read in the month of May, so I'm trying hard to read it in the month of June. So those were all the books which I want to read in the month of June. I hope you guys liked my picks, and you have taken some picks from this video. I'm very happy, and let's all read and kind of make our mental health peaceful, because this lockdown and COVID is very frustrating. It is having a different take on physical as well as mental health. So let's all fight against it. So happy reading, and bye bye. Stay tuned, and I'll be meeting you all in my next video. Bye.